Hi everyone, welcome to our show. Apple Voice, Voice of the Apple. I am your host Srinivas. In this episode, I would like to demonstrate in how many ways we can activate the contextual menu on Mac with VoiceOver. We can activate contextual menu on almost all everything on Mac like files, folders, apps inside the dock, attachments which we get inside emails, text messages inside the messages app, WhatsApp messages, so on so forth. Let's get started.
Desktop.
I am on the desktop right now.
Desktop.
Let's go to the dock by using Vivo D.
Dock. System settings.
The focus is on this particular application.
System settings.
Vivo Shift M is the universal command to activate the contextual menu on Mac.
Menu.
We can use the down arrow or the up arrow to navigate via these contextual menu items.
Internet accounts. Keyboard. Language ampersand. Region. Lock screen.
I am just pressing the down arrow.
Login items ampersand. Extensions.
Let me hit the escape key to get out of this contextual menu.
Finder. Desktop. Desktop.
Let's go to the dock by using Vivo D.
Dock. System settings.
Now let's move on to the Finder inside this dock just by pressing the letter F as in Fox.
Finder.
Vivo space on this Finder to launch it.
Finder. Srinivas. Window. Column view.
Now my Finder has been launched and I am inside my home folder. We have to interact with this column browser by using Vivo Shift down arrow.
Apple.
Press the down arrow.
Novels.
I am navigating inside this folder by using right arrow.
Complete works of Swami Vivekananda.
This is a file and I would like to activate the contextual menu on this file. We can use the universal command Vivo Shift M to activate the contextual menu. Press the down arrow to see all the contextual menu items that are available here.
Open. Open with. Move to trash. Get info. Rename. Compress complete works of Swami Vivekananda. Duplicate. Make alias. Quick look complete works of Swami Vivekananda. Copy complete works of Swami Vivekananda. Share ellipsis. Tags. Show preview options. Quick actions. Open URL with Downy.
These are the various contextual menu items that are available here under this menu. Let me press the escape key to get rid of this contextual menu.
Complete works of Swami Vivekananda.
You can activate the contextual menu by using the trackpad on your Mac. For that purpose, you have to turn on your trackpad. Press and hold your VoiceOver keys and then rotate the rotor with 2 fingers on your trackpad in the clockwise direction.
Trackpad commands on.
Now the trackpad commander is turned on. Now we can activate the contextual menu by using the trackpad on Mac.
Complete works of Swami Vivekananda.
Press and hold the control key and then single tap with the single finger on the trackpad. You can observe that the contextual menu has been activated. We can flick down with the single finger on the trackpad, or we can use the down arrow to navigate via these various contextual menu items.
Open. Open with. Move to trash.
Let me hit the escape key to get rid of this contextual menu.
Complete works of Swami Vivekananda.
Now I will show you another way of activating the same contextual menu on Mac with VoiceOver. I am using an Apple Magic keyboard with numpad. It's a full-sized keyboard from Apple company. If you are using a full-fledged keyboard with numpad, you can use this method of activating contextual menu. First, we have to activate the numpad commander on our full-size keyboard. Press and hold the VO keys and then press the clear button on the numpad.
Numpad key commands on.
Now my numpad commander is turned on. The keyboard focus is already on this file.
Complete works of Swami Vivekananda.
A separate enter key is located at the rightmost bottom corner of this keyboard. We have to hit the plus key, which is just above the enter key on this keyboard. You can observe that the contextual menu has been again activated. We can flick down with the single finger on the trackpad,
Open. Open with.
or we can use the down arrow to navigate via these various contextual menu items.
Move to trash. Get info. Rename. Compress complete works of Swami Vivekananda.
Hit the escape key once again to close this contextual menu.
Complete works of Swami Vivekananda.
Now I am going to tell you another keyboard command with which you can activate the contextual menu once again. This keyboard command works only on files and folders inside the Finder. The keyboard focus is again on the same file.
Complete works of Swami Vivekananda.
Press and hold the control key and then hit the return key on the keyboard.
Open. Open with. Move to trash.
You can see the contextual menu is again activated. I am pressing the escape key to close this contextual menu.
Complete works of Swami Vivekananda.
Now I would like to close all the Finder windows by using Command Option W as in whiskey.
Desktop.
I am back to the desktop. In this episode, I have demonstrated 4 different ways of activating contextual menu. You can write your queries and feedbacks to our email address appleabilities@gmail.com. You can also visit our YouTube channel Apple Voice for a few tutorials on Mac like this. Please visit our website www.applevoice.in to download a few documents with keyboard commands. I hope you have enjoyed this episode. Follow us and stay tuned. Thank you all. Thanks for listening and bye for now.
This is an
This
Apple
is an
Voice
Apple Voice
presentation.
presentation.